So hello and good morning to everyone. So our today's lead code question is 2095, which is delete the middle node of a linked list. So basically in this question we are given the head of a linked list, and what we need to do is we need to delete the middle node of the linked list and return the head of the modified linked list after deleting the middle node. Now what is the middle node of a linked list? So suppose if you have a linked list of size n, then floor of n by 2, floor of n by 2 from the starting node using zero based indexing where this denotes the largest integer less than or equal to, suppose if you have this x, so it denotes the largest integer less than or equal to x, right? So if you have let's say x is equal to 4, then floor of 4 by 2, floor of 4 by 2, sorry, n is equal to 4, then x is equal to floor of 4 by 2, which is 2, right? Which is 2. And if n is equal to 5, then floor of 5 by 2, floor of 5 by 2, 5 by 2 is 2.5, so floor of 5 by 2 is 2, right? Second node. So let's see the examples. So here we can see we are given this linked list, and what we need to do is, this is the middle node, third is the middle node, so we have to delete this node. So basically for deleting the node, what we'll do is we need to shift this pointer. So now this pointer is pointing to 7, so if we shift this pointer from 7 to 1, then our linked list will be 1 3 4 7 will be there, 7 will be there, means the node has not been deleted, but 4 has stopped pointing to that node, 4 has stopped pointing to that node. So when we traverse it, we only get 1 3 4 1 2 and 6, and that is our answer, right? So we basically shifted the pointer from 4 to 1, right? So let's see the next example. So in the next example we need to delete this node, right? So here 0 1 2 3, right? So floor of 3 by 2, floor of 3 by 2 is sorry, the size here is 4, there are 4 nodes, so 4 by 2 is 2, so we have to delete the second node. So this is a second node, so we need to delete this node. Now to delete this node, we will shift this pointer from 2 to the pointer which is pointing to 3, we'll shift that pointer to 4, right? So now what is our main task? Our main task is first to find the node that we need to delete, right? And then once we find the node, we basically have to shift the pointer. So let's see the constraints. So the number of nodes in the list is can be from 1 to 10 ki power 5, and each node can have value up to 10 ki power 5, right? So let's move to the approach part. So our first task is to find the middle of the linked list, middle of linked list, right? That is our first task. Now to find that, what we'll do is we'll use slow pointer and fast pointer technique, slow pointer and fast pointer technique. So what we do is we'll basically take two pointers, one is head, one pointer name is head. What it will do is, it is slow pointer and it moves one step at a time, one step at a time, and the other pointer is h, which is a fast pointer, and it will move two steps at a time, two steps at a time. So let's see two examples in which, in the first we have even length, we have even length, and in the second we will take odd length, and let's see what happened. So initially our head pointer and our h pointer both will be pointing at the first node, or we can say the 0 index node, right? And then in the next iteration, head will move by one step, so head will move by one step and go to 2, and h will move by two step and go to 3. So in iteration 1 we see our head is pointing to 2 and our h is pointing to 3. Now again in the next step, head will move by one step and point to 3, and h will move by two steps, and here 4 is pointing to null, so h will move by two step and start pointing to null, right? So we can see in the iteration 2, h is pointing to null and head is pointing to 3. So we can see when h becomes null, then our head is pointing to the node that we have to delete, right? Head is pointing to the node that we have to delete, so we get our middle node. So this is when we have even length. What if we have the odd length? So here we have the odd length. So initially again both the nodes are pointing to the starting node, then h will move by 2 steps, head will move by 1 step. So in iteration 1, head is pointing here, h is pointing here, right? Then again we shift head by 1 pointer, head by 1 node, and h by 2 nodes. So in iteration 2, head will point to 4 and h will point to 1. Then in the next iteration we again shift head by 2, head by 2 and sorry h by 2 and head by 1, right? So in the iteration 3, we head reached the node that we have to delete, and h is equal to the final node, right? So here if h arrow next, if the fast pointer arrow, if the next pointer of fast pointer is null, then we get a node, right? So when length is even, then we get a node when h is equal to null, then we get our uh, pointer head, right? And in the odd length, when h arrow next is equal to null, h arrow next, that is next pointer of h is null, then we get our head pointing to the node that we need to delete, right? So what we get is, so we get either h is equal to null or h arrow next is equal to null, then we delete the node where our head pointer is pointing, right? So this way, using the fast pointer and slow pointer, we get our middle node. So once we get our middle node, now let's see how we will delete that node, right? So as we know, our head pointer will be pointing, to that node that we have to delete, right? So suppose here we have to delete x. So which pointer is pointing? The pointer from a is pointing to x. So what we do is we'll remove this pointer from here and shift this pointer to the next node of x. So what is the next node of x? So x arrow next is the next pointer, is the next node, right? So what we do is we shift the pointer of this. Let's say this pointer name is head. So what we do is head is equal to, next pointer is x arrow next, so basically we have removed this pointer from here and we started pointing this node to y. So this node gets removed, so this way we'll delete the node and we have shifted the pointer, right? So dry run. So as we have seen, first we'll find the node that we need to delete using slow pointer and fast pointer. So see here, our h arrow next is equal to null. So head is pointing to the node that we have to delete, right? So now what we'll do is, this is the node we need to delete, right? So what we do is we'll shift this pointer from here to here. So what we do is we'll make head is basically this pointer, so we make this pointer is equal to head arrow next. So now we have replaced the value of this pointer, which was earlier 7, we have replaced with this pointer, which is 1. So this has been shifted from here to here. So now after shifting the linked list, our linked list will look like 1 3 4, though node 7 is there, but no one is pointing to that. So 4, after 4 we get 1 7 2. So when we traverse, we get 1, then 3, then we 4, then 1, then 2, and then 6. So there is no way by which we can go to the node number 7. So that means that node has been deleted. So let's see the code part. So in the code part, this is our main function. So in main function we are just directly calling the delete function, in which we have 2 pointers, head pointer, and the other pointer is h pointer, that is fast pointer, right? And so this is our base case, that is either h is equal to null pointer or h arrow next is pointing to the null node. Then in that case we'll shift our pointer and our node gets deleted. Else what we'll do is, else we move shift head by 1 and h, which is first pointer, by 2 steps, right? So basically this is a simple code, right? So I hope I'm able to explain you the solution properly. So if you like the video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.